Now here's something that I don't like. I'm not a huge fan of shower tubs like this right here. Look at that spider.
There's a spider.
So I'm not a huge fan of shower tubs because if the shower curtain gets on the outside, sometimes people don't pay enough attention and that water goes underneath the floor. I don't like that, but if I put a door on here, every time I put a glass door, it gets broken. It's a struggle.
Or water still leaks out of the corners.
But it is what you got to do, and I don't know, maybe something that I have a desire to fix, and I just need to go ahead and do something different with that right there because
if you do a curtain, chances are they don't actually put it on the inside of that.
It all depends. Look at that. Now, see that? That should never happen. How can my guys come over here and do anything and realize that we're missing a screw? It's the little things. It wouldn't make me not rent it if I was looking for a place, but what's the walk-in closet look like? I don't remember, so we'll see. So that ain't too bad. Got a little ladder access right there. All in all, I would give this house a 10 out of 10, or maybe a 9.5. There's a couple little bitty things like that screw in that receptacle missing, the top of the door thing right there not done. It's just a couple little bitty things, and nobody will ever notice it.